and welcome to another edition of Friday Fast Facts. I'm your host, Josh Kerbach, and today we've got some write-in questions, so we're going to see how many of these I can knock out in the next 60 seconds. So here we go.
Is shipping included in the part purchase?
Shipping is absolutely included on the price that we quote you.
What shipping options do you offer?
Our shipping options are same day, next day, and 2-day. 2-day is always included. Next day is usually no problem unless it's a gigantic package that we have to LTL somewhere. And same day if you're conveniently located next to one of our locations at Dallas, Texas or St. Louis, Missouri.
What is your favorite romantic comedy?
Love Actually.
What part types do you offer?
We offer several different part types, too many to list. We're very heavy in suspension, mechanical, electrical, appearance, and more get added every single week.
Do you sell aftermarket parts?
Nope.
What are the 6 steps of your Vintegrity certification process?
Woo! Assessment, harvest, consolidation, certification and refinishing, purchase, and shipping.
What is the name of Will Smith's character in Independence Day?
Captain Steve Hillard.
What is the warranty?
Lifetime warranty as long as your customer owns the car.
On what platforms are your parts available?
All right, CCC, Parts Trader, APU, Mitchell, Amazon, eBay, coming soon to OPS Tracks.
Which Great Lakes state has more shoreline than the entire U.S. Atlantic seaboard?
Michigan.
How can we see what parts are available in CCC?
Easy. Load us as a preferred vendor in CCC and we'll start to auto-populate on any estimate that we have a part for that car.
What insurance companies are your parts approved through?
Wow, over 70 of them, and 9 out of the top 10.
Which 1997 film stars Nicolas Cage, John Cusack, and John Malkovich?
Con Air.
Who is the best certified original parts supplier?
Obviously, the original one. Well, I think that may have been a little bit more than 60 seconds, but I hope that we answered all the questions you may have about us here at Original One, even though not all of them were about Original One. So if you have any other questions for us, please feel free to tag us in the comments below or email us at info@originaloneparts.com or contact us at 877-441-0001. Well, everyone, thanks again for joining us for another episode of Friday Fast Facts. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the original one.